Coco! Inside! Now! Why is your nose blue? No slugs there. No, they're gone. Welcome to my garden. It's very pretty. There's the hut I stay in. The new one anyway. Coco! Say hi. Coco, do you wanna get a biscuit? Off the plant! Oi! Give me a minute and I'll get this all sorted out. Yeah, welcome to the kitchen. Pretty basic. Now I need to lure her in. Because Mum won't be happy when she's on the plants. Here's our fridge. Coco! Coco, come get something to eat! Oi! No! Don't you dare bite that! You come in like that too. Ha! You are being fooled! Don't worry, I'll give you something. You told me that you needed the toilet. Look at her nose. Look how blue that is. Really? Don't worry. You don't need to start whining over anything. I'll get you something to eat. Why the fuck is your food up there? Oh, excuse my language, please. What can I give you? Give me a minute. I'm gonna be having a good summer. I can get out of bed. I'll give her some cheese. Because I know that dogs like cheese, I think, anyway. Yes, you will have to just be staring at that for a bit. While I get this ready. Good girl. There you go, like I told you. Cheese. Oh god, I feel like 2 minutes. Okay. Now go lie down. Go. Come on. This is our living room. Once again. Nice. Look at the stars of this TV. Okay, go on, Coco. Up you get. Okay, bye.